Hey, this is Mrs. Heflin. I wanted to take a little bit of time to help review with you how to create a multiplication chart at home so that you can use it later, and then to go over some area model examples for you. I'll have to apologize for the really weird video. I've got my can stand that I saw how to do to make a phone take a really good video of notebook paper. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing that fifth graders need to know is your multiplication chart only needs to go from 1 to 9. So we start with our first column. That's the up and down. Move that up a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to use these lines that are already here to make the grid part. And then so I'll number from this side, 3, 4. And let's draw my lines as evenly as I can. Okay. Oof, getting sloppy. It's okay as long as I can follow my lines. Okay, so this can be kind of a difficult task if you don't remember them, but there's a lot of tricks you can do to help you fill them in. First thing I always start with is the ones that I already know. So like I know 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 is as high as I need to go. And if I know it on the horizontal or the vertical, I can do it the opposite way too. So I just come across 5, 10, 15, 20. 25 is already filled out. 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so that should help me fill out the ones I already know should be 1s, 2s, maybe 3s. We can do the 3s right now just to make sure you do know those. And then I'm going to actually show you how to fill out on the 7s and the 9s. I won't fill them out entirely so you can keep practicing them, but there's some easy tricks that you can do, like if you can't remember the multiples, okay? So let's do 3s. We've got 3, 6, 9, 12. 15's already done. And then I'm on 3 times 6 is 18, 21, 24, and then we've got 27. So if I can do it on the up and down, I should be able to do it from the side to side by following the same thing. 3, 6, I already have 9, so then I should have 12, I already have 15. See, it gets easier the more you fill in. 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay, so I didn't fill out 1s and 2s because I feel like you guys have those. Now let's try to do 7s because I only know a couple of the 7s. Maybe you only know a couple of 7s. I know them all. So 7 times 1 is pretty easy. 7 times 2, I've got that. That's 14. And then I already have the 21 because I filled out the ones I already knew. But maybe 7 times 4, I don't really remember what that is. So here's what I can do. I can take one of the numbers I already have, like the 21 right here, and I can just add 7 to it. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 28. So 28 should go there. I could have also gone backwards if I like to subtract better, and I could have taken 35 and I could have subtracted 7 to get that. So here we are at 35, and maybe I don't know the next one, 35 plus 7. So 5 and 7, that is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Regroup that 1 to the 10 spot, and then I have 1 and 3 is 4, so I should have 42. Make sure I'm writing it in the right one. And then 7 times 7, I could just add 7 to 42. So I know 7 plus 2 is 9, and then I didn't add any to the 10s. And then I've got 49 plus 7. And 9 plus 7 I can count up by. I can go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I know the 6 goes here, and I regroup the 1 to 10s. And then I've got 1 10 plus 4 10s is 5 10s. So that's 56. And then I can do 56 plus 7. And 6 and 7 I can count up. Well, I also know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 plus 7 is 13. And then I regroup that 1 over with the 5. And I get 63. 3. And then because I filled out this one, I should be able to go across and fill out this one. So that's just some quick ways that you can make sure that you have a multiplication chart that you can use. Once you make it, you have it ready to reuse later, or you can practice by making one every day. Thanks for your time.